Hello, welcome back to our update. Today's right now we have Hurricane Ida. This is gonna be a really dangerous situation, to be honest. We're looking at potentially basically a huge disaster that could potentially strike. I'm not gonna really make any comparisons with other storms. There's also enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow. I won't be covering that tonight though. Tomorrow morning is gonna be when I'm probably gonna release another weather update about the severe potential across portions of the Midwest. We have an enhanced risk for tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. But this is going to be most entirely focused on Ida, as this is a really dangerous situation. This is really bad. Again, very dangerous winds, heavy torrential rainfall, really not seen very often, and as well as some extreme storm surge. So let's go right into it. So currently looking at the cone of uncertainty right now, Ida is right now basically coming off of the after making a couple landfalls today, currently with winds of 80 miles per hour. However, though, the environment is definitely favorable for it to rapidly intensify into probably even a major hurricane right now indicated with the M's, and it's going to be making landfall somewhere in Louisiana. This cone's going to continue to shift and monitor really local forecasts. We have hurricane warnings issued across portions of Louisiana, and as well tropical storm warnings issued for portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama coast. Also tropical storm watches and hurricane watches. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Like I said, this is going to be something that could be absolutely massive, and depending on how much this rapidly intensifies, whatever really happens, we are looking at something incredibly dangerous, and really focus on local guidance, local officials, and really take evacuation orders seriously. Looking at storm surge potential across portions of Louisiana, we could be seeing upwards of 10 to 15 feet across portions between Morgan City and the mouth of the Mississippi River, 7 to 11 inches, stretching from the mouth of the Mississippi all the way to Ocean Springs, and also 47 between the Ocean Springs and Mississippi-Alabama border, as well as 6 to 9 feet between Intracoastal City and Morgan City, and again, really dangerous storm surge, really 10 to 15 feet. That's that's pretty high. Well, and this is going to continue to change. However, though, we'll continue to update on that. Looking at rainfall potential in the next 5 days, we're seeing some amounts near New Orleans, 15 to 20 inches of rain. Louisiana, New Orleans, in fact, actually 10 to 15 inches. The 15 to 20 inch zone might actually probably go into New Orleans. We could be seeing isolated amounts over 20 inches, maybe even close to 25 to 30 inches, depending on what happens. But again, this is incredibly dangerous situation. 6 to 10 inches of rain is widespread, stretching from Mobile to Jackson, maybe even and a bit to the east of Lake Charles. Again, still very dangerous situation, and really a high risk of excessive rainfall is definitely imminent. It's going to be probably issued tomorrow. We could be seeing a day 2 high risk, which isn't really seen very often in these types of situations, but this is going to be something that's going to be the case. And yeah, looking at the Weather Prediction Center's outlook, excessive rainfall outlook, actually we're seeing a moderate risk across portions stretching made across portions of New Orleans, even heading to across a lot of eastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi. This is, again, I can't emphasize this enough. It's incredibly dangerous. We'll be seeing some very dangerous storm surge, torrential rainfall that's going to be causing some life-threatening flash flooding. We'll be seeing several flash flood emergencies, probably, and as well as some extreme winds that could be gusting maybe up to very high amounts, to say the least. Something very unprecedented. So anyways, that's really it for today's weather update. Yeah, this is something that it's definitely something that we don't see often. But again, this is gonna be we'll be continuing to regularly upload these weather updates on Ida, and Again, we have an enhanced risk field across portion of Minnesota and Wisconsin tomorrow. Video won't be uploaded tonight. It's gonna be mostly tomorrow morning. And yeah, apart from that, it's really it, and goodbye.